To get started, I'll show you how to connect the Wii to the HD PVRs. That's the most basic example. This Hopog HD PVR came with a cable that allows you to record Xbox, PS2, and Wii video. So just take the end that matches your Wii's video cable and connect that to the back of your Wii as you normally would. Having that plugged into your Wii, now take the component side of that cable and plug it into the inputs of your HD PVR. Now take the other component to component cable that came with your HD PVR, plug one end into the outputs of your HD PVR and the other end into your TV. So right now we have it looking like video from Wii, input it into the HD PVR, then the output from the HD PVR plugged into the input of the TV. Now with the power outlet for the HD PVR and the USB for the HD PVR and everything else for the Wii plugged in, I'll show you at the software level how to record the video for this. Alright, when you have everything plugged in, go ahead and open up HD PVR Capture and make sure that video input selected at component, audio input selected at your analog RCA jacks, and then all you have to do is go ahead and set your duration and hit record, and it'll record a video to whatever your destination folder is. To stream, we're going to have to do things a little differently. Go ahead and set your duration to infinity, go to network, deselect store video, select send captured video to the network using UDP, have your destination IP address at localhost 127, and you can go ahead and click record. Now we're going to open up the OBS software, which is what I'm using to stream, and we're going to make a new scene. So let's say stream Wii. We're going to add a new source. Let's say media source, create new. Don't deselect local file. Go to input, do UDP : // and then the IP address you set. And the port. So 1234. Then OK. And that media source will now be visible, and you can do whatever you want with it. And now you can see that you can stream. You'll just hit start streaming as you always do, just by adding that media source from your HD PVR capture. Alright, so if you want to connect an older console that uses composite rather than component video, the process is a little more complicated, but not that bad. So the first thing you want to do is you can go ahead and plug your Hopog into the power outlet. You can keep the USB in, that's not going to change, and you can plug in your console into the power outlet. But now you're going to need a few different tools. You need 3 composite splitters. You need your console's composite cable. And you need another composite to composite cable, same as RCA, they're synonymous. All right, so you can go ahead and plug in your console's composite cable, and then you can plug in the composite cable from your console into those 3 splitters, and then plug in 3 of these into those splitters as well, matching the colors. Alright, so now that we have all 3 of these plugged in, we're going to connect them to the front of the Hopog. And the reason we need these splitters is because the HD PVR capture software is going to allow us to record composite video. However, the HD PVR itself doesn't have an out for the composite inputs. And because of that, these splitters allow us to send composite video into the HD PVR, and then just directly connect that other RCA to RCA cable to our TV. It's going to look like that. Newer TVs in general often don't have RCA inputs anymore, but if you have just the component inputs, you can go ahead and connect the audio to the audio, and then you can connect the yellow RCA input to your green component input. That won't work automatically. The thing you're gonna have to change is, so if you turn on your console, you're going to see that the video's in gray. Go into your TV's menu, options, input options, and then change AV input from component or whatever it's called into video. And that's going to allow you to stream it in color, record it in color, etc. So I accidentally changed the input. That's working fine now. We can play and record Gamecube games. The last thing we're going to have to change is at the software level. We have to change it from component to composite video, but that's as easy as selecting something else from the drop-down. To record Gamecube video is going to be much the same thing as we did for the Wii. However, in video input, select composite instead. The audio input will automatically change. You should again see video signal detection. If you don't, then there's some error with how you set up the hardware. You can go ahead and click record, stop to record locally. Again, it'll save to the destination folder. And to stream, you'll do exactly the same thing, but just to repeat to show that it works for Gamecube as well. Go ahead and stream to that port and IP address, open up OBS. And in that same media source that we made for the Wii, using the UDP streaming with the IP address and the port, you'll see the Gamecube video now. So that's how you can record with the HD PVR for any console up to composite video, including component video, and that's also how you can stream to Twitch.